In this video, we're going to work on 3D shapes and we're going to identify the properties of each shape. So you could see all the shapes we're going to work on, and the properties we're going to find are how many faces, how many edges, and how many vertices. A vertice is where a point comes together. So a point comes together here and a point comes together here, and you need to count how many of those points there are in each of these objects. The edges are just edges, right? Just as you think of normal edge, you just have to count how many edges this thing has. And the number of faces are just, if you turn the object around, you'll be able to see that it has different faces. So when it's facing us here, this is one face, this is another face if we turned it to face us, and so on. So this first shape is a cube. It has 6 faces. Let's try to count them. 1, 2, 3, the bottom 4, the side 5, and the back 6. That's 6. Let's try to count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. And how many vertices? So that's how many points come together. So 1, basically the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. So for a sphere, it's pretty simple. It has only one face. There's no edges and no vertices. There's no sharp corners and no edges. And this is a sphere. So the next figure is a cylinder. The cylinder has 3 faces, the top, the bottom, and the entire body. 3 faces. There's only 2 edges, this edge and this edge, and there's no vertices. There's no corners on this. Now for the cuboid is exactly the same as the cube. It's just elongated, but the number of faces is the same, the number of edges is the same, and the number of vertices is the same. And I encourage you to count those for yourself. So this is a square-based pyramid. It has a square base, and it looks like a pyramid, right? So let's count the number of faces. So there's the bottom, there's 1, so 1, then all the 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So add those together, you get 5. For the edges, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the back one is 8. And then the vertices are where the corners come together. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one in the back, 5. Now we have this triangular prism. So the number of faces are 5, so let's count those. 1, 2, the back, the triangles, then 3, 4, and the bottom 5. Let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. Vertices are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. And we have one more shape, the cone. So the cone has 2 faces, the bottom and just the whole body here. It has one edge, which is just the bottom here, and it has one vertice, which is this top corner here. And that's the cone. And you could just keep this with you. I have it in the ebook. You could download the ebook and you could follow along this lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.